Hello, everybody. This is Chandni Mahajan, your relationship coach, a tarot card reader, a numerologist, so on and so on from Celestial Energy. Today, I am here with a pickup reading of how our financial conditions will be in the month of October 2020. So, this is my video pertaining to know how are actually going to be our finances, whether there will be a financial crunch, whether we'll be exceeding our finances, whether our expenses will be exceeding, what kind of a financial status or what kind of a financial situations we are going to have. So, let's start with the reading. Here I have put my three piles again with the four cards each. So select for the pile number one, pile number two, and pile number three. Whatever you feel like, select with the card, and we are going to focus for 15 seconds on each, and let's see what the cards have to say for you. So people, those who have chosen pile number one, the cards for them are, this is two cards from the Sacred Major Arcana or the Indian Tarot, I would say. So these both will be the Major Arcana cards. The first card is the Lover card and the second card is the Temperance card. The next two cards are from the Rider-Waite, which will be, one is the Page of Wands and the second is Seven of Swords. If I see towards the first pile, I see that we are running from a situation, we are running from our responsibility, we are just not able to make out. We are just running, we are just into so much hurry that we are not even listening to the complete thing, we are not even doing the complete task. We have just seen, we are just holding few things in our hand, we are left with the rest, we are leaving the rest without seeing that another opportunity is knocking our door. We are just running and running without completing one opportunity or without completing first task. How are we able to do the second? So kindly be very balanced, kindly be very composed, so that you will be able to do all the tasks in time and with efficiency and effectiveness. Because another card, if we see the Temperance, it is also saying the same thing. What does the Temperance means? Temperance means to balance yourself, to equilibrate yourself, to align yourself, just make yourself calm and composed to do everything, and nothing is impossible for you, you are able to do it. If we see towards the second Indian tarot card, it is the Lovers card, which means Purus and Prakriti. The Lovers card in this is that start loving yourselves, do everything with love and affection, do everything with softness, do everything with alignment, do everything with in a chronological order, nothing should go hayway. So if you have that much of time, if you have that much of energy, if you have that much of knowledge, do not just run away and spoil the things which are going to be good in your life. So, if I talk about the financial position, I'll say that in haste, we are not going to take a decision. Opportunities are knocking our doors, and we are going to be lot much better than the last month, which we were, because the Temperance and Lovers are showing that we'll be in a happy zone, we'll be in a comfortable zone. In fact, we'll be in a much more comfortable zone than the previous zone or in the month or what we were in the month of September. So pile number one is actually telling you will be in a good zone and there will be no much more expenses. Don't run away, everything will be fine. The people, those who have chosen pile number two, the first two Indian tarot are Wheel of Fortune, the second card is Hierophant. The two Rider-Waite cards are again coincident, Eight of Swords and Eight of Pentacles. If we talk about Eight of Swords, Eight of Swords is telling that a woman is tired. You are thinking that you are just tired. There is no way you can go out, but still you are working so hard to make things possible. Then please believe in your hard work rather than believing in a negative thing that is actually happening with you. It is nothing who have tied you like this, but it is you, your thoughts, it is your negative thought, those who have tied you in this thing. So your hard work is actually going to pay for you. Nothing to worry about. Your this month will be good. It will be a bit tight, but our major arcana cards are saying that you being a hierophant yourself. What is hierophant? Hierophant is a atman. Atman means a saint figure, a person who can advise you. You yourself are a good advisor. You yourself are advising n number of people. You yourself is a very good person whom n number of people are coming for the advices. So calm yourself and you will be taken advice, because the second Indian tarot card is telling me the Wheel of Fortune. This is a beautiful card which says the change. A definite change is going to come. We can deny the minor arcana cards, but we cannot deny the major arcana cards. So if major arcana card is saying Wheel of Fortune, that change is coming in your life, and this Wheel of Fortune change is always a positive change. So kindly listen to this change, see to this change, and firmly believe in this. One simple ritual which you can do is click this picture or click this picture from a Google, download this, see this picture every day. Change is definitely going to come in your life, but put your positive intentions and put your just positive things, just good things around. So there will be lots of change in your life. So now the pile number 3. Pile number 3, the first two major arcana cards are the Hermit and the Magician. Minor arcana cards from the Rider-Waite are Six of Swords and Five of Cups. If we look at the Six of Cups, we can see a man is just sailing a boat away, and he's running away from a situation. He just doesn't want to look back. Even if the situation is too bad that you don't want to look back, you have to, because there is again something which you have lost and something which you have gained. If you are not going to look back, you will even lose the thing which you have gained. So there will be a complete loss, but there is not at all going to be a complete loss, because the cards which are coming for you are in the major arcana, Magician and Hermit. So what I can suggest you here is, situation is definitely going to improve, and it is going to improve miraculously for you, the people, those who have chosen the pile number 3, because it is just the change of perception, the change of interception which you have to make, and things will be beautiful for you. If we talk about the card, Magician card, the Magician says whatever you do, you will just succeed. You are never going to be defeated, or you will be never defeated by anybody. Again, the card of Hermit, Rishi. Hermit is a card which says Daya, Chirag chale andhera. Matlab, you yourself are so intelligent and you are running here and there from to other people for the advices, which is actually very wrong. You should just look into yourself, introspect yourself where you are going wrong, correct the things and move ahead, because Magician is actually allowing you to work miraculously for you. Magician is actually saying you that whatever you do, I am with you. Whatever you do, you will be always make it gold. You just touch it and it will be turned into gold. This is what Magician is actually saying. So there is no need to worry for the people, those who have chosen pile number 3, because everything is going to be right. It is just the time. It is just a matter of time. So these are 3 piles from our financial stake card for the October 2020. If you have liked this video, please put like, thumbs up, and subscribe my channel Celestial Energies. If you want me to make another videos, please put your suggestion in feedback section. Thank you, and stay blessed, stay safe. Bye. God bless.